Hello, everyone. Welcome to our day four of my Go Live Challenge. I'm Corazon Rivera, your mompreneur next door. I'm a wife, a proud mom of three kids, and originally from the beautiful Philippines. Ngayon, I live here in Alberta, Canada with my family. I work as a part-time as postal clerk and cashier and also a digital entrepreneur. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever your time zone is. Magandang buhay po saan sa mang sulok ng mundo. Ngayon ay nasa school na aking mga anak, trying to go live outside pero malamig ngayon. It's -7, feels like -12 but when di pa siya, so it's very chill outside. So nandito tayo ngayon sa loob ng bahay. Today, gusto kong pag-usapan ang challenges. Alam kong lahat tayo ay may kanya-kanyang laban sa buhay. I want to share mine, not to dwell on them, but to show you that we can overcome anything if we try. Let me be honest with you. Starting this digital journey was not easy for me. First, I'm introvert, mahihain talaga ako, and the thought of speaking live or meeting people was so intimidating. Second, I have no business background at huli kong na-update sa tech skill or mga computer is 20 years ago. You can imagine kung gaano kalaki ang adjustment na kinailangan ko. Have you ever felt that way na para ang dami mong gustong gawin pero natatakot ka kasi feeling mo hindi ka ready o kulang ka sa kaalaman? So that was me. But you know what? I realized na hindi hadlang ang mga weaknesses natin. They're just stepping stones to growth. So, lesson from overcoming challenges, here's what I've learned. Embrace being uncomfortable. Ang hirap mag-step out of your comfort zone, pero doon nagsimula ang tunay na growth. Kahit introvert ako, I started showing up online and now I'm doing something na hindi ko magawa noon. Like this, doing go live, talking in front of the camera. Kailangan talagang mag-start sa sarili natin at pag-improve sa ating sarili. Learn at your own pace. Huwag kang matakot at mag-aral ulit. Sa digital business ko natutunan kung ang iba't ibang marketing tools and strategies one step at a time. Kaya mo rin ito. I do my training, posting of my business 2 to 4 hours a day or pwede mong hatitiin ang oras sa umaga o sa gabi. Pwede din while you're doing your house chores. Sometimes I do it during my break time sa work. Ganun ka-flexible ang business natin. You can do it anytime, anywhere with your cell phone, laptop, and internet connection. As for help, hindi mo kailangan mag-isa sa business na ito. We have mentor and coach na tutulong sa'yo na pag-start ng business. The community I join is very supportive. Lahat kami nagtutulungan to grow together. Ang gusto kong sabihin sa inyo, kung kaya ko, kaya mo rin. You don't have to be perfect or tech savvy to start something new. You just need to be willing to learn and grow and open-minded. Ikaw, what's the biggest challenge you're facing it right now? I love to hear it. Baka makapag-share ako ng tips or encouragement na makakatulong sa iyo. Comment below or message me anytime. Thank you for listening to my story today. Tomorrow will be focused on something very close to my heart, gratitude. How it has helped me navigate life's ups and downs and why I believe it's powerful mindset. Kita-kits tayo ulit bukas for day 5. Stay safe and love